Gardening is a joy. Growing your own food is even better. Sustainable gardening takes it to another level. It's about working with nature. We help our gardens thrive. In return, our gardens help the planet. Sustainable gardening means less waste. We can compost kitchen scraps. This turns into food for our plants. We can save water too. Using less benefits us and the environment. Growing your own food is rewarding. You know exactly what you're eating. It's fresh, healthy, and delicious. Plus, it just tastes better when you've grown it yourself. Sustainable gardening has key principles. Healthy soil is number one. It's the foundation of a productive garden. We'll discuss how to improve soil naturally. Next is water conservation. Water is precious. We can use it wisely in our gardens. Techniques like mulching help keep the soil moist. Natural pest control is essential. We want to avoid harmful chemicals. Beneficial insects are our friends. They help control pest populations. Finally, reducing waste is key. Composting turns waste into garden gold. We can also recycle and reuse materials in creative ways. A well-designed garden is a productive garden. Consider your space and sunlight. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sun each day. Think about the layout. Raised beds are great for drainage and accessibility. Paths between beds make tending your garden easier. Choose the right plants. Select varieties suited to your climate and space. Don't forget to include companion plants. These help deter pests and attract beneficial insects. Healthy soil is alive. It's a dynamic ecosystem teeming with life. It's full of beneficial organisms, including earthworms, insects, and fungi. These organisms break down organic matter, turning it into valuable nutrients. This process releases essential nutrients for your plants, promoting healthy growth. Compost is black gold for your garden. It's rich in nutrients and improves soil structure. Adding compost to your soil not only adds nutrients but also enhances its structure, making it more fertile. You can make your own compost easily with kitchen and garden waste. It's a sustainable way to recycle organic matter. Mulching is another important practice. It helps retain moisture, suppresses weeds, and moderates soil temperature. By spreading mulch around your plants, you create a protective layer that conserves water and keeps weeds at bay. Organic mulches, like wood chips or straw, also break down over time, adding to the soil's organic matter and enriching it further. Avoid tilling your soil too much. Excessive tilling can disrupt the soil structure and harm beneficial organisms. Tilling can disrupt the soil structure and harm beneficial organisms, leading to poorer soil health. Instead, practice no-till gardening methods to preserve soil health. This approach maintains the integrity of the soil ecosystem, ensuring long-term fertility. Making every drop count water-wise gardening. Water is a precious resource, essential for life and our gardens. Conserving water in the garden is crucial, especially in areas prone to drought. One effective method is using a watering can, which allows for precise watering. Water directly at the base of the plants to ensure the roots get the moisture they need. Soaker hoses are very efficient, as they minimize evaporation and runoff. These deliver water directly to the soil, ensuring deep penetration. Drip irrigation systems are also great for water conservation. They slowly release water to plant roots, reducing waste. Mulching plays a vital role in water conservation by covering the soil. It helps to retain moisture in the soil, keeping it cool and reducing evaporation. This reduces the need for frequent watering, saving both water and time. Choosing drought-tolerant plants can also make a significant difference in water usage. These plants are adapted to drier conditions and can thrive with minimal watering. They require less water than thirstier varieties, making them ideal for water-wise gardening. Keeping pests at bay naturally. Healthy gardens are less susceptible to pests. Strong plants can better withstand some pest pressure, but we can do more to keep pests in check. Encourage beneficial insects. Ladybugs, lacewings, and praying mantises are natural predators. They help control pest populations. Companion planting is another effective technique. Certain plants deter pests naturally. For example, planting marigolds near tomatoes can help repel nematodes and other pests. Neem oil and insecticidal soap are natural pesticides. They can be used to control pest outbreaks. Always use these products responsibly and follow the instructions carefully. Closing the loop: recycling and waste reduction. In this section, We will explore various ways to minimize waste and make the most out of the resources we have. Sustainable gardening involves reducing waste. By adopting eco-friendly practices, we can create a garden that not only thrives but also contributes positively to the environment. Composting is a fantastic way to recycle kitchen and garden waste. It helps in reducing the amount of waste that ends up in landfills and provides a rich source of nutrients for your plants. It turns scraps into valuable nutrients for your plants. This nutrient-rich compost can significantly improve soil health and plant growth. Instead of throwing away old containers, reuse them. This not only reduces waste but also saves money and resources. Yogurt pots, egg cartons, and even old wellies can make great planters. These creative solutions add a unique charm to your garden. Grass clippings are a valuable resource. They can be used in multiple ways to benefit your garden. Don't bag them up. Leave them on the lawn as a natural fertilizer. This practice helps in retaining moisture and adding nutrients back to the soil. Or add them to your compost pile. Grass clippings decompose quickly and help in balancing the compost mix. Think twice before throwing anything away. Can it be composted, reused, recycled? These small steps can make a big difference. A little creativity can go a long way in reducing your garden's environmental footprint. By making mindful choices, we can all contribute to a healthier planet. Reaping the rewards, sowing the seeds of change. Sustainable gardening benefits us and the planet. It promotes biodiversity, conserves resources, and reduces our environmental impact. It's also incredibly rewarding. There's nothing quite like harvesting your own food. Knowing you've grown it sustainably makes it even more satisfying. So, why not give it a try? Start small, experiment, and enjoy the journey. Your garden, your taste buds, and the planet will thank you for it.